Hi everyone, welcome to Dream Cars. Picture cruising into the future in the 2026 Honda Odyssey, a minivan transformed. It starts with a fresh, aerodynamic design, a wider grille, sharper LED lighting and sporty body lines that blend SUV flair with minivan practicality. Under the hood, you've got two thrilling choices. A dependable 3.5-liter V6 returns with 280 horsepower and a smooth 10-speed automatic, towing up to 3,500 pounds. But the bold new star is the hybrid, a 2.0-liter engine paired with a dual-motor setup delivering around 204 horsepower and hitting up to 38 mpg combined. Rumor has it AWD could be available on hybrid trims, perfect for peace of mind on slick roads. Slide inside and it's wow from the first glance. A massive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster sits right behind the wheel, while the center houses up to an 11-inch touchscreen, packing wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, and a faster infotainment interface. Second-row magic slide seats make getting in and out a breeze, and with seating for up to 8, this Odyssey truly adapts for family life. The third row folds flat, maximizing cargo space, up to roughly 145 cubic feet, so road trip gear or grocery hauls are no problem. Rear entertainment hits new highs. A dual 11.6-inch display keeps back seat passengers occupied, with HDMI ports, streaming support, Wi-Fi hotspot, and BYOD casting. Parents stay connected with improved cabin watch and cabin talk systems, including night vision and in-car PA to talk through the audio system. Comfort doesn't take a back seat. Ventilated front seats, tri-zone climate control, wireless charging, abundant USB-C ports and a hands-free power tailgate come standard on higher trims. Safety is top tier thanks to Honda Sensing. Expect everything from collision mitigation with braking, adaptive cruise with low-speed follow, lane keeping, traffic jam assist to the helpful new safe exit assist that warns passengers of approaching vehicles before stepping out. With potentially 360-degree sensing, this Odyssey aims for stellar peace of mind on every journey. Pricing is estimated to start around $39,000 for the base LX, moving up to about $52,000 for elite trims, with hybrid variants priced slightly higher depending on features. Honda plans deliveries starting fall 2025, so watch for it to hit dealers through winter. In short, the 2026 Odyssey isn't just a family van, it's a bold statement. Sleek looks, hybrid efficiency, next-level tech and safety, all wrapped in Honda reliability. If your family lifestyle demands space, connectivity and comfort, this is a prime pick. Thanks for riding along. Dream Cars will be back soon with more future wheel dreamers.